feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill. It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight. Who's gonna run this town tonight? We gonna run this town.
We are, yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance. Get your fatigues on. All black, everything. Black cars, all black, everything. And I got the black birds riding with they. I get more in depth if you boys really enough. This is not familiar. I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave another grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,6 zeros, stop zeros, hiccup. Back to run the circles, well, never square up.
Black boots on the pavement, beast mode like I'm out of them cages, blacking out on occasions. Make your chin up while you all in amazement. I can see it in your faces. You never wanted us here in your spaces. Yup, you mad. Wild boys taking over the nation. They really mad cause we 100%. Put up your walls and we hop in the fence. Took off the filter and took off the tents, and you can see exactly who you are against. You want it bad, I want it more. Sorry I had to settle the score. You want it bad, I want it more. Sorry I had to settle the score. They just mad we're taking over.